Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Busal Tech, and here I am going to show you that a new free USDT tether boot where you can just need to click on tap to earn a free USDT from here every day per second. You can generate a huge benefit. I will tell you right now in this video. How can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. You can check out we have 4 options available. First one is that is play now, and we have second one is subscribe to the channel, third one join our chat, and fourth one is subscribe to the Twitter. You just need to click on play now option now to start your earning in this website. After click on play now option, this type of interface will come in front of you. At the bottom left corner you can see that 1000 over 1000 means that you have to tap here 1000. You can check out. I tap in front of you. You can see that I can generate 400 USDT Satoshi per tap from this website. You can check out each and everything. All thing is in front of you. Earning is also increases with the help of referral, and also you can make deposit to enhance your earning in this website. I will tell you right now. Stay on the video. Now whenever it becomes 0, you need to do any other work and it will also increase automatically. You can check out, it's also increase automatically. Tap running boot. Now you can see that we have another 4 options, that is mine. Then was third one is we have referral, and we have FAQ session. Mine is very important session. You can check out here. We have 4 upgrade profit available in this website. If you want to upgrade your earning on daily basis, you can buy with these plan from here. First one, that is we have airdrop Landia, then we have Tap Landia, and we have Mimi Landia. First one, click on buy 10 TH. You need to deposit here 10 USDT to buy this plan and earn 25 USDT from here through this plan. Just need to click on buy option. Upgrade period, yes, you can check out. This will work for you for 10 days, and max profit you can generate from here 25 USDT per day. Profit per hour you can generate from here 0.052083 USDT from here, and profit per click you can generate 2300 USDT Satoshi from here. If you want to upgrade here, you have to click on connect option now. You can connect through TuneKeeper, My TuneWall, TuneHub, D-Wallet, BitGet, SafePol, or open link and copy link to add your wallet in this website. Open wallet in Telegram. You can also connect this one to be able to make your first deposit to enhance your earning. Click on BitGet option wallet. I will show you that how can you connect and how can you make deposit in this website successfully to enhance your earning from here. Click on approve option now, and I need to verify my bio. Now here you can see that connect wallet is in under mode, connecting to your wallet right now. Now after connecting your wallet, you can purchase these 4 plans successfully. In this way you can also check another sets 2 plans. Then we have referral system. You need to invite your friends and copy your referral link to share the link to other people so other people work on it, and you can earn 10% of the referral income from each referral earning. Then we have FAQ session available. How to earn USDT. You can read out all the useful information about this earning platform. What is the referral program? You can check out and read out all these useful information about this earning plan. Hopefully you like it, you love it. You need to tap to earn free USDT from where. If you want to get this type of more free boots, you need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notify yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.